Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. This is the peace lily plant that I cared for very carefully, but the leaves still became wilted, soft, yellow, and clearly lacked vitality. Many people think that plants like this are almost impossible to save anymore. However, in reality, if treated properly, the plant can still recover and grow healthily again. In today's video, I will guide you through a method that helps the plant recover more quickly, develop a healthy root system, and gradually become green and healthy again. Especially, I only use simple ingredients available in the kitchen, even ingredients that seem useless and are usually thrown away to care for the plant. If you love plant care, do not forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you will not miss more simple but effective plant care tips. Let us begin right now. This is the peace lily plant that I regularly cared for and watered, but the leaves still became yellow, soft, droopy, and increasingly weakened. After checking more carefully, I discovered that the root system inside had started rotting because the soil retained water for too long and lacked airflow. Therefore, the first thing we need to do is gently remove the plant from the pot and completely remove all of the old soil attached around the roots to inspect the condition of the root system and limit fungal diseases for the plant. After that, use specialized scissors sterilized with alcohol to cut away wilted yellow leaves, dried leaves, or damaged leaves as shown in the video. These leaves no longer have the ability to develop and still continue consuming nutrients from the plant. Removing them helps the plant focus its energy on nourishing healthy leaves and supporting the recovery process more effectively. Next, thoroughly rinse the plant under clean running water to remove all of the old soil, dirt, and damaged roots still attached around the base of the plant. This cleaning process helps the root system become more airy, limits fungal diseases, and creates conditions for healthier new root growth after replanting. In addition, after cleaning the root system, you will also be able to easily observe and detect rotten, dry, or damaged roots for timely treatment, helping the plant recover quickly and develop more steadily. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After that, place the plant in a dry and airy location, avoiding direct sunlight or keeping it only under gentle indirect sunlight. This helps the plant reduce stress after root treatment and replanting, while also limiting excessive water loss through the leaves during the stage when the plant is still weak. While waiting, I will prepare a fertilizer solution for the plant. The ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains many natural minerals such as nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, helping provide nutrients for the plant, supporting darker green and healthier leaf development. Use a clean glass cup, as shown in the image. Next, add 1 teaspoon of coffee. After that, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to dissolve the coffee and help the natural nutrients in the coffee release more quickly into the solution. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly until the coffee is completely mixed into the water. This helps the natural nutrients in the coffee distribute more evenly throughout the solution, helping the plant absorb them more effectively during use. Finally, close the lid and steep the solution for 1 hour. During that time, I will prepare the growing medium for replanting the plant. First, prepare about 50% garden soil. This type of soil contains many natural minerals and has good nutrient retention ability, helping the plant maintain a stable nutrient source during development. Next is 50% coconut coir. Coconut coir has moderate moisture retention ability while still creating airflow for the root system, helping limit soil suffocation and supporting healthier root development. Please use gloves during the process of mixing and preparing the growing medium for the plant. This helps protect your hands from soil dust, bacteria, fungi, or impurities still existing in the old growing medium and plant care solutions. The next step is preparing a clean pot as shown in the video. Next, combine the prepared garden soil and coconut coir together. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Then use your hands to thoroughly mix the two materials. Mixing thoroughly helps the ingredients distribute more evenly throughout the growing medium, creating a stable environment for root development. The soil helps retain nutrients, while the coconut coir helps increase looseness and maintain moderate moisture for the plant. After about 1 hour, when the solution has cooled completely, I filter out the residue and keep only the pure liquid without sediment. Filtering out the residue helps make the solution cleaner, limiting residue buildup around the roots or on the leaves during use, thereby helping the plant absorb nutrients more gently and safely. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the coffee solution. That is it. I now have a solution to water the plant. First, pour the coffee solution into a clean cup, as shown in the video. Next, gently soak the entire root system of the peace lily plant in the coffee solution for 15 minutes. This helps the root system absorb moisture and natural nutrients contained in the solution, supporting healthier root recovery after treatment and helping the plant adapt better before replanting. At the same time, use a soft cotton pad lightly soaked in the coffee solution and wipe evenly across the surface of the peace lily leaves as shown in the video. Using diluted coffee solution helps remove dirt attached to the leaves, supports the leaves in absorbing light better, and helps the leaf surface appear greener, shinier, and fresher. In addition, a small amount of natural nutrients in the coffee also helps improve the vitality of the plant, helping the leaves become healthier and limiting soft, weak leaves during recovery. Pour the remaining solution into a specialized spray bottle and store it in the refrigerator compartment. This storage method helps the solution remain fresh and limits fermentation or bacterial growth during use over the next few days. You can gradually use the solution to spray the leaves or lightly water the plant over several days, helping save ingredients and making the plant care process more convenient. After about 15 minutes, gently lift the plant out of the coffee solution as shown in the video. Next, use a soft cloth or clean cotton pad to gently wipe the roots and stem to remove any remaining solution. This helps limit excess moisture around the root system, preventing waterlogging or fungal diseases, while also helping the plant remain more airy before replanting. If you're having any difficulties while taking care of your plants, feel free to share your plant's condition in the comments so we can find the right solution together. Now, we come to the most important part. Prepare a clean pot as shown in the video. This type of pot has ventilation holes around the sides and underneath the base, helping air circulate better around the root system and limiting water accumulation that causes root rot. Next, prepare a water wicking string placed through the bottom of the pot. This string helps absorb and maintain stable moisture for the plant, allowing the roots to gradually absorb water without remaining submerged too long. First, thread the string through the hole at the bottom of the pot, as shown in the video. This string will help draw water upward from below, supporting stable moisture for the root system. Next, spread a layer of soil at the bottom of the pot. This soil layer helps stabilize the water-wicking string, creates a base for the root system, and supports more stable moisture and nutrient retention for the plant after replanting. Next, gently place the plant in the center of the pot, so the root system spreads naturally without bending or being compressed too tightly. After that, continue adding another layer of soil over the root system to stabilize the plant inside the pot. This soil layer helps the plant stand more firmly, while also supporting moisture retention and creating a stable environment for healthier root development after replanting. That is it. We have completed the replanting process. Gently place the plant into a cup, as shown in the video. After that, lightly water the plant with a moderate amount of clean water to help the growing medium maintain enough moisture and support the root system in adapting better after replanting. Next, place the plant in a dry and airy location away from direct sunlight for about 3 days. This helps the plant stabilize after repotting, limits water loss, and supports better root recovery. After about 3 days, when the plant has gradually stabilized, remove the coffee solution stored in the refrigerator and gently spray it evenly onto the leaves, stem, and base of the plant as shown in the video. This solution helps gently supplement nutrients for the plant, helping the leaves become greener and healthier while supporting more stable root development over time. You can maintain this method about once every 2 weeks to help the plant absorb nutrients more evenly and maintain stable vitality during development. Results. After about 2 months of applying this method, you will see that the peace lily plant develops much more healthily and steadily. New leaves begin appearing more frequently, becoming greener, shinier, and firmer, no longer soft or wilted like before. At the same time, the root system also develops more strongly, attaches firmly to the growing medium, and absorbs water and nutrients more effectively, helping the plant clearly regain vitality over time. Especially after the plant stabilizes and develops more strongly, the peace lily also begins producing new, beautiful, healthy white flowers. If you found this video useful, do not forget to press like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to follow more simple but effective plant care methods. Your support is the motivation that helps me continue creating more useful content in the future. See you again in the next videos.